Hey guys, hope you all doing well. We are back again with a new video. If you like our channel, please do subscribe and like our videos. You can also comment below. So let's learn about the eyebrow today and how to create an eyebrow. As you see, I don't have much work to do on my eyebrows, but still I'll show you how to give a shape. Before starting your eyebrows, please brush them and clean them properly. So whatever the extra amount or the product is left in your eyebrow, it will come out. Clean them. I'm gonna use the wax to set my eyebrows first. So once you're set, you will come to know the shape of your eyebrow and then you can go accordingly. I just finished setting my eyebrow and next I'm going to fill the gaps whatever left. Take a small rectangular brush to fill your eyebrows and always go according to your hair color. Never go to the darker color because it should always match your eyebrow color with your hair color. Firstly, start with the below. I'm filling the gap because I have very less hair here, so I'm going to fill them out. So as I finished shaping my eyebrow, I'm going to clean it out. So people, I have finished my eyebrow. I've just done shaping my eyebrow. If you like it, please do comment below and like our channel and do subscribe to us.